Definitely looks a lot cleaner now. That is back to how we had it.
Hey, nigga, you tell your mom what I told you to tell her, nigga.
Jesus Christ.
Man, go ahead. Go ahead, bro. You gotta be ready when you know you start your thing. Wow.
Just us doing it.
That's
We're
definitely
about to do it.
that's definitely going in the intro.
Just us doing it.
Yeah, I was recording.
We're about to do it.
Let's do it.
Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2. Cause y'all know the Crocs Garage. Yes sir, yes sir. We're rocking the Croc gang.
How we crocking?
Like I said, y'all know the hood was looking mighty bent. You know what I mean? Mighty bent. So all we had to, it's stupid. We had to take the under heat shield off. I don't even know how many that was.
Like 10 at least.
Anyway, but there's 4 bolts on that. I don't even know why they got bolts on there, but we're gonna attempt to go ahead and put that back on too.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Yeah, but most likely for y'all that might get this MMD hood. Yeah, of course, miles on there. It was bent. It's not gonna have instructions on how to take it out. So what we kind of came up with was putting the glue gun on there, heating it up. But eventually, we just decided to rip it off. Just straight up rip it off. And now there's just all these little adhesive pieces on there. We're probably gonna put some more glue gun on there, and then try to put the new one on there tomorrow. But unless we got time. There's a lot of holes. Sheesh, we are back with round 2. The ducktail looking mighty good after yesterday. But yeah. So we ended up just ripping that thing off. Shout out to Rail. Had that strength, you know. I left the hood open. But this is how it's looking. Did have a little drizzle last night, but yeah, just gotta get this adhesive off and then we shall be good. Had nothing to do.
And I was in my stocking six right now. You see that thing dropping? Don't worry about it. You said the same thing about it? Not, yeah. We're going at $5. This one, like, grab it right down. Or work like that. I'll like, hold it off. Yeah, that's why I wear it. Sure. Plus, it's the first. You never exactly. No, it's all. Over there. I'll make something on my own. That's all I live right now. I still have a different one. You don't have a different one? I got a different one, do we? Right. Cash out? You don't have a bank. I went to the gas station and so I hacked it. So like it pulls out the thing, so I stood and everybody asked, hey, you try to use $100 gas station. No, after 3 hours of scraping. Alright.
Hey, nigga, you tell your mom what I told you to tell her, nigga.
Jesus Christ.
What you could do, put the hood up and someone like 2 of us hold it while another person like put the screws in.
Yeah, but then we're gonna have to like, it's gonna be propped this way.
Yeah, nigga, I said 2 of us hold it.
But you just gonna have to barely open the hood.
Oh, yeah, that too. My hand on you anyway. Oh my god! Oh shit!
So definitely was a lot of work. Luckily I already had the holes from the other hood scoop on there, but it was a pain. I'm not gonna lie, it was a pain, but it definitely looks a lot cleaner now. That is back to how we had it. That boy ugly right there though. Shout out to them. They, you know, always helping out. We always help out each other. But yeah, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. It wasn't too bad though. Instructions on like MMD stuff is always like great. But that's gonna be it for this video. And you know, y'all just keep doing y'all thing. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.
But ain't no sunshine.